We completed this project under the guidance of B.S. Rajan of Madabi. We completed this project under the guidance of Mr. Rajan B.S., who is the Assistant Professor of Department Triple E and RIT College, Asan. Our teammates are Chaitra B.S., Madhushri B.R., Priyanka S. and I am Yashwant S.P. Yes, come on, I will explain my project. Here we are using the wind generation and PV module as the basic source for the output, and we are using battery for the consistency flow of electricity for the output. And this is the DC bus as usual. You can know that this is the DC to AC supply. This is the main. From here you can go for the load. From here we can supply the current for load. And here wind, first I will explain step by step. First I will explain the wind generation. This is the wind generation station. We are using the PMSG generator for the generation of the wind in the turbine, and we are using the controller as a pitch angle controller method for the generation of the wind. When the maximum wind is at the one direction, then pitch angle controller will rotate the wind blades for that direction. What is the degree that and all, it will shows the pitch angle only. And here from the wind generation we are getting the AC supply, so we are getting here AC supply only, three phase AC supply. See, here we can get the three-phase AC supply from the wind generation station. And to convert this AC supply to the DC supply, we are using the rectifier. Rectifier will convert to AC supply to the DC supply. Then we can get to the DC bus. This supply will give into the DC bus. Here you can see that wind generation will convert to the wind MPPT. MPPT means a maximum power point tracking system. This is because we are using MPPT for a maximum power track in the wind. When there is coming the maximum power, then it will get the current and charge the battery or given to the supply or output. That is all depend on the what type of current and power is coming. When there is the more power, it will start generating more power. That is only we are using like MPPT. And this is PV module. You can see PV module is a solar. We are using solar, and same specification we are using. And inside this PV module, you can see inside PV module here PV is generating DC output only. So DC output we are not converted to the anything AC or anything. We are directly given to the DC bus. Here also we are use the wind MPPT. It is inbuilt in the not wind MPPT. It is a PV MPPT. It is inbuilt for the PV module, and this both are given to the DC bus. You can see this DC bus connected PV module and also same as wind MPPT through the rectifier. This is DC bus, and here DC current is flowing. And also we connected the battery as for the DC bus. Here battery also working. How the battery work means, when wind and solar is outputting maximum of current and a consistency flow of current, then it will work under the wind and solar only. When there is not getting much of current from the wind and solar, then battery starts supply the current up to 700 volts. We are consistency flow of 700 volts, we are set the voltage, so that battery starts supplying 700 volts. We are kept battery for consistency flow and 24 into 7 supply of current. When the wind MPPT and the solar is working maximum, then the both will supply current to the output, and as well as the battery also get charged while that time. And from the DC bus you can observe that the inductors and the capacitors, we are using this freewheeling diode for the good source of flow. And also we are getting DC boost, and here we are having for the output. This output is having a DC output. We here from VSC controller we are converting DC to the AC, because we cannot use DC current for the loads and other industries also. So we are converting the DC current to the AC current using a VSC controller. From this we can get AC current given direct through the mains or other lines. 700 watt consistency flow of DC AC current. This is our project, and as well as you seen that our project. And one more thing to say that we used here 15 means we are using the input for the wind is torque, and here you used 2000. This is irradiance. We are using input for the PV module is as a irradiance. We taken like this the uh, like this we have taken some values, and I will run this project. Here 15 kmp's means 15 kilometer per hour wind is coming, means torque is like that, we are giving 15, and here 2000 t radians. I will run this project. Let's see that what will happen. Here is running. Yes, it's compiling. You can observe. Here output scope, you can see what is running in the output scope. Yeah, see the AC current sine wave is going. This is a 700 volt DC supply, AC supply, sorry, 700 volt consistency of supply, and this is some little bit changes is you can observe. This is for this is given for the load. This is AC current coming. This is convert DC converted AC current, you can observe. And also here power at the battery. See this battery get charged, charging, this battery get charging power, you can observe. And also at the DC bus current, this is current at the DC bus, you can observe. And voltage at the DC bus, see you can observe the 700 approximate, it is going 700 volt of current. This is from the wind. Like this you can see some values, you can change values, and you can observe what is going on, how the current will generate, how much value it will be generate. You can see the here also. This is from wind MPPT. When maximum is generating, then it start generating maximum wind, so you can see here also. So like this our project work under the some all the conditions. We are combining both sources, wind as well as solar also. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye.